Hey guys, Chlorine King here. I'm here at a client's house. We got a check system light, and then it says Chlorinator off, no cell power. Maybe tough to see, you can see it right there. So I'm going to show you how to do a quick fix on that. Alright, so we got the panel open now. We also removed the controller, and so there's two things that would give that error. It's going to be a bad fuse, which is this right here, or a bad relay that's in the board. So let's go ahead and pull this fuse out. It's always a good idea to, cut all the power. So this fuse is actually in good shape. So it is definitely, well, you guys can't see it there, but it is definitely the board. So fortunately I have one here with me on the van, so let's go ahead and start taking this apart and all that good stuff. Again, it's always a good idea to cut the power off. If it was just a fuse, it's always a good idea to disconnect the salt cell, which plugs right in there, before you plug this fuse back in. So we'll go ahead and get started now. All right guys, so we got the board fired up and just testing right now, but you can see coming up, you'll see the pool chlorinator 75% and then the salt level at 2800. So you can see everything is up and running as it should. So that is how you solve and diagnose a salt cell, no power, with the Hayward Aqualogic automation system. So like and subscribe, stay tuned for more videos, and as always, have a great day.